Hi, I'm Angela Sebastian, and do you know this Pokemon? Yes, it's Moltres. Now, the reason Pokemon Go on it's October now. It's Entei and the three tigers or lion, and this one is for the Team Rocket because you see, look, Purify. And I'm gonna show you something too. It's Kabutops. I'm just evolved it on Pokemon Go. Sernas, if you want Sernas to catch, it's like a gold ball in Pokemon Go, and this is the Salamence. It's a Salamence. That's a mega evolve, and if you catch it, if you